Hey, it's Kim from Schaefer Chevrolet showcasing our 2023 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Lariat trim package. It does have 27,000 miles on it. Current price at making the video is priced at $46,200 with a book value of over $55,000 on it. You can see that back window there does have that power sliding rear window. Vehicle's in great condition. You also have those rear parking sensors, which I'll get up close here to show you. And you have the bed liner as well. Truck is actually in great condition. It is a one owner, no reported accidents on it. I'll show you a nice clean interior. I don't notice any rips, tears, no odd smells or anything of that nature. Vehicle does have the remote start to it. Pop on inside here in just a second. I do ask if you have any other questions on this truck or any other vehicles on our lot, please feel free to reach out to me directly. All the contact information will be in the description below. If you don't like this vehicle, I can definitely keep an eye out for another one for you as well. Nice rubber mats. Does have the B&O radio system. This vehicle is going to be a 5-passenger. You've got the power driver's seat. You've got memory driver's seating there. Power adjustable pedal down there. Navigation, I'll show you that in a second here. The integrated trailer brake controller. Okay, you can see the vehicle has the 27,000 miles on it. Cruise control settings there on the steering wheel. Nice big touchscreen display. There's the heated seats, the ventilated seats, the heated steering wheel, dual climate control, AC, trailer brake controller, your 4-wheel drive. You can see you've got navigation up here. Nice section there in the center. And up there is for that rear window. Nice compartment here. Oops. Pop that open. Again, if you have any questions in regards to the vehicle, just go ahead and reach out. There you can see that nice big backup camera. That screen is huge. I mean, you probably can't tell it in the video, but if you've checked them out, they are nice views. Definitely help with backing up. Again, contact information is going to be in the back there or in that description. Just reach out. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.